This video, I'll be talking about project files on vitamins. The vitamins are very important element for human body. You have to write in the beginning paragraphs what is all about vitamins and how it is beneficial or how it is helping functioning the human body and what are the different ingredients of these vitamins, what are the different types of vitamins which is available, that also you should write it out as part of the introduction. And you should also talk about what is all about fat soluble versus water soluble vitamins. That also you should write it in the next paragraph. And you should also talk about role of vitamins as a micronutrients in the body in the next paragraph. Once that is done, you should also talk about importance of vitamins in health and disease prevention. There are lot many vitamins which is available. You should write down what each vitamin can help us to improve our body. Vitamin A, vitamin C, like that. There are various vitamins available. I have given various write-ups for each of these vitamins. The last paragraph is we should talk about the conclusion about these project files on vitamins.